Hello, my name is Ziad. I'm one of the project leaders for Durham with Stephen, who is our other co-president of DEID. We think this project is very important for DEID. We thought it was unfortunate to have an organization that goes all around the world and does transformational work and having it ignore the problems in the community that hosts the university and its students. So in this spirit, we are working on what we're calling a litter trap box structure to be installed in Ellerbe Creek in Durham, just 10 minutes away from campus. In the spirit of kind of being in sync with the needs of the community we work with, we have partnered with the Ellerbe Creek Watershed Association that advocates for the preservation of this creek. Which faces big litter and stormwater-borne pollution problems. This affects the residents living around the streams and causes biodiversity problems. So why would students join a local project versus an international one? Well, first, just like any other DEID project, this one is very multidisciplinary. It includes material science, just like general mechanics and their environmental applications with water remediation and inorganic waste management. This project also gives students flexibility with their summer plans if they have any internships or other summer study abroad commitments. The Durham project would be the way to go. It also allows students to have some kind of exposure to how engineering is done in the US. It's definitely a very different experience from working in a rural setting in a developing country. At this point, we are trying to finalize our design. We are also working on getting the correct permitting for to install our structure. As you can see, it's basically a box made out of aluminum mesh with holes in it, so it prevents kind of water bottles or different types of plastic containers from going down, but it allows the water to flow and doesn't block the stream. The aluminum mesh faces are connected with L brackets, and this drawing doesn't show, but the top face can actually open for someone to periodically come and scoop the trash out. The rods you can see on the sides are aluminum rods that kind of anchor the box in the soil. But the box itself floats on the water, and the rods just prevent it from going downstream. The structure also has two legs that kind of redirect the trash towards the structure. At this point, our biggest design challenges are figuring out the logistics of taking the trash out and what's the best way to anchor our box. Are we going to have to pour concrete? Is just simply sticking the rods in the soil the better solution? We want to finalize the construction of this project either by the end of the semester or by the end of January, February, hopefully. And we hope that the Durham project is going to keep going and a new project is going to replace this one.